Breaking news.
I want talk to mock news. Want talk sense. I want mad again. To the search for the truth. Mock news not the
Breaking
place.
news.
Pararan let the look face. Mock news let the look face. Truth talk well. But politicians run
Breaking
well.
news.
Pastors run well. Pararan mother jackets well. I want mad again.
Breaking news.
Breaking news. One talk. I want mad again. Tell them truth.
My country people, another day, don't shake for another strong mock news. I mean, the copy rip and a panty and PARARAN one of Africa. I go the Maggie, the first person to buy Maggie to take where you cooking us with. What the Maggie not put it inside the soup. Now see finish that make good money turn off and appointment we God give goat. Now make the animal the shit waka. You know be so if you know say when you cack up for one place before you move, you understand an operation we can do. Let me the animal the shit waka. So today mock news is not a small mock news, but it's a very large mock news. My people, I'm in the mood. I'm gonna rock my body. My body go no time. Okay, baby now. Understanding. Katsina don't boss for Liberia as they talk so the president the president don't cut shit. The president now get beef with the citizen. Oh God, oh Africa, God you dey create why create Africa? The president really get time now to the beef citizen. This beef self not be even small beef say that they exchange like the way our own dey be here now for online they take dey talk. No, the president get time enter studio. He said because the way they hear the way the country people say it they nationalize. You understand? They explain what they say. Yeah, you do. He said they go dey lie for your head. Say dagger this one, he wire this one. You understand? You know, say people they don't need to dey talk. Say yeah, you understand? He said the team. Say most of the things he not do, especially this last one. One of the officials where they work for government has cause say or why Ajiro. You understand the Liberian people that need to understand my language. You understand? The team touch the president. Everybody call the talker. The guy called gather heart. Enter studio. See, because you need to attend to this thing. President. You call compose song. What if you pay me the song where you compose? You not see hip hop. You not sing hip hop. You not sing Afro. You not sing blues. Now you choose reggae. Liberia president call out with reggae song. What if you pay me for it? Start the song. First shout, Jah Rastafari. Even Bob Marley shout Jesus. Who is that? As I don't know. He's who teach this guy reggae. As I you hear reggae chant, oh God. And the way people sing the song. Liberia people on a say now they talk to. Not be on they talk to. This song we Nigeria go use because some of them they complain say the song not sweet. My guy is sweet. But not be for your Liberia people, it's sweet for yeah. Because that song, the title, and those who never hear our latest big song between the president and the citizen of your own country. Oh yeah, Regadilava.
In my own country, they trying to track me down. For what? I don't know. Oh, Mr. Liar Man, you know I didn't do the thing you say I do. Oh, Mr. Liar Man. Joe Rastafari, King Selassie.
The president never beefy country now. Get time, enter studio, go compose, Mr. Liar Man. You know I do the thing. Oh yeah, now you get voice. So see voice be like okra. Oh, Mr. Liar Man. Hey, Liberia people, are they feeling a pain? Are they feeling now? So you dey use Liberia money now till they discover your talent from football now. They put you don't release like 3 track for inside this 10 or 8 days so 3 track before you go the other one. You go release 1 dozen. So you dey use the country. So wetin Liberia, wetin una go do for me? Make problem for not dey because this your president. You dey use dey disgrace reggae music. You understand what I mean? Una just put law for now wey dey position. Make studio no dey Liberia. If anybody wan sing, make go. Even Jamaica president never sing with reggae. Jamaica where reggae take come. President enter. See you. Una just see the cover of the song. Una just see he wear better. You fit see dreadlock. E be like all those wey dey Labadi for Ghana. Dreadlock wey dey roll with wheelbarrow. Those of them Momo put up for front. Na the cover of the song with this. They use the country money. You know I did do it. If you not do it, you don't know where courts dey. You don't sue people. You get time. The time wey you dey get for song, if you use that, they get time to take the follow up. Wetin you dey do? He for good. Cockroach go shout. My girlfriend dey lost so who you follow? George. Mosquito go shout. My girlfriend no. Wetin happen? Where? Come on, Lisa sef. Presido, yeah, you do it. Memo go to the news. Well, I know for the past how many days now, they baskele some students for Katsina state, which is our president state. As they baskele the children, because some of them don't understand baskele. Baskele mean say they thief something or they carry something. You know, so they want to use slang so that now they understand PG. You know, say the way English get grammar and so PG get. When they baskele the student, I want the president as they just tell president, so boy, Kasala boss, it came a war, the mafia children, as the president here, the next day, the first thing where the president do, na to go check a cow, a fowl, a rabbit, whether they okay. DSS, everybody follow am. What even pay me, they use sarin. We reach there, call the count there. Kene Mamo Taron ni. I never know say they speak Ijo. This is a disgrace to this country. For your own state, oh, instead of me, you go there to sympathize with the people of your own state so that they will even believe in you. You only you want go see cow. Then you send people from Abuja to come back to your state, and you did the state. But this country is gone. Killing now, it don't master us. Everybody already know say somebody must die tomorrow. So the thing don't. So the thing know the omanabiri na obetotori na o master na. Hey, anakak boy dara. I tonight horrible. See country. Those of you never watch where they go count the cow. They go ask them. Even give the name of cow. All of them get name. One on Maru, one on Yusuf. We even pay me say they give one name Mohammed. Those of you never watch Rigadelaba. The president, Agbona radio, nobody get time. But if na Katsina and I get oil or diamond or gold, you go reach there. Let them know say don't worry, we'll bring everything. But if somebody, guy, the north, una they do things where they disgrace this country. sorry to say, you know, I know they take one side. This not. Now, the first carry Shibo girls, now Katsina boys. Who know they will call carry Bonu men or Nasarawa women. I never know now. Well, when they bring new thing, when they disgrace this country, and those politicians where they that not where they do this thing, stop it. You guys are bringing bad name because people now investors where they won't come now bring things come. If they hear all these things, where do you go fee? President not get time, police not get time, army not get time. You go see they come and say yes, they carry 300 or something. Do you know what they call 300 or something? See, doing this online now. I cannot use English for that place. You understand what I mean? Why keep pancake? Go straight around. Use no time. The best state and the village where they use light most for Nigeria, they don't discover it. No, they not every time they come. Where did they happen? Why lights not the day? I don't know, say some place get light. And these people, now one of their politicians, they get one of the best politicians where they there. He named the rain. I don't know, say this man good like that. They get light steady over 8 years now. They are like, light the light, now so the light do. Where they go, he let you standing. But not every time I just call because he sought people understanding. Why I hear this? I say no. I need to let una know. See, there is a village in Nigeria for the past 8 to 9 years. Light never do like this. Like the Oji blinky, Oji Rukabisco lighty. Did it shock me here and I shock over? Those of you never watch the village where they talk about the sorting. Oh yeah, Ricardilaba.
And even the other days, but he comes down. Now we don't come. Oga, the light issue. We 1 year how it will be. Now when he didn't tell us, no, they okay with us. We go tell us on behalf of the protesters. See, we don't agree for this time when you tell us so. After protest and dialogue. We was dialogue. Now, the dialogue now remain. They say so.
No problem. Thank you very much. Yes, I'm the youth president of this kingdom. You can say we have been really suffering for this land very long time ago.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Comrade Okebegbe. Okay. The youth president of Katsina Kingdom. Okay. Really, we have been suffering for this land for many years. That's why you see a protest this morning.
How long is it now?
It's about 6 years now. 7 years. If I don't take 6 or 7 years now. And as I knew that the state government have been trying to help out the problem, but the BCBE, we don't know the effort. We don't know the effort. The state government will give the transformer, will give the KV they needed to occupy the town. See yet all those have been donated to VDSA. But yet we don't know what they are doing. They have been promising us. Senator Igwe Otamori, they have donated a lot of cash. Individuals have donated a lot of cash, but the so-called the control the Nipa people don't know what they are doing. That's what led to the protest. Not by police, not by soldier, and the youth president. They people love me, and I love them. I can able to come to them, and I can able to calm them down to free the road. You can see by your ears with your eye how I remove those things from the road. If not me, the road will have been blocked.
Okay, sir. What are the physical? I mean, can you recall anything you've actually done or the leaders have done in the past that will lead to light that you've not been provided a light yet?
The leader have done all the straight thing. They have to do something. Accountable. They have brought new transformer, the 5 kV. We need about 3, maybe 2. So that it can supply the whole town, because one is not enough. Because the committee has become larger than this, so one cannot survive the town. So which Senator Igwe Otamori have done, and those things are already here. The house of transformer, they brought new one. So we don't know what the current of the BCB is doing. So your protest is against Bedek now? Yes. Not even the state government. Okay. Not the state government. So what's the final step you think after you leave here now? So I'm able to talk to my youth, and they will follow me. On Friday, we'll wait for our leader, Senator Igwe Otamori. He will now explain better to us. Thank you, sir.
Woman, Mosoga never get light for 7 good years. No wonder if they pass the place, I would see the people they dark. Even you wanna yo kuku. Okukulea, even okukulea for do road get light person at the chamber now. 7 good years and you go your time more reward a year in up and down. You are from there. Why they say one politician one like this now you are the talk to. And not get your picture, you mean we picture waiting, eh? Because the village people they get 10 million, 5 million, they say those people rich. Some of all these people when they glorify, they do it, they could drop 1 million, 100,000. Hey, you go where I to one. How can a village? That means that village they don't know whiskey. They show na whiskey picture. On no vinwa. I don't know if they know na president. I don't know if they know vice. That way they do face like Beku. Eh? I don't know if they know the senate president. That way short be like Ogoro. I don't know if they know the deputy senate. That way Toyenia. We never know what they find. Whether they come back to come be governor from number 4 to number 100. I don't know if they know people. Not even know Kanu. 7 years. And the village na see quiet there. Guy block everywhere. Una not get chief. Una not get. Una stand for una right. And una, what did they pay me? The Nigeria una would see the fine say, una need peace. How can you have peace for darkness? You don't ever see her. Just off light now. Off light. May you see what you go enter your mind. What off light now? May one get just go visit you. Off light. That mind where you just so if I dive you. Now so thief see the tinkle. You know what I'm saying? We will be like girlfriend to thief. As the day just dark, as everywhere just dark, thief just meet you and now raping once, so you rape you. You understand what I mean? And they do example for you. So una need peace for this country, but una no want do light. Peace cannot be. If you like spend money, do railway, do trade, do hospital, do road. If light not dey this country, we go dey continue to dey repeat the same mistake. Mosoga, 7 years, no light. Ibi ara mi kegbare na. Ibi ara si tuture. I'm go straight other news, no time. Kiro. Now be small castle the boss for Uganda for the past how many days now? One of our brother, what they call Omale, one musician. And then some of them will say, which musician? Even me say, Nasa sing ask. Some of them will say, Parara, you know, not just ask me a question. Not be everybody know me. I go my village, I call the answer no mamunu. The old way. Now because they describe. Man, every mock news. Say what to be mock. I say mock news. Say what to be mock news. I call the divine mock. But that mock you go the news. Now say B. So some of us know, some of us not see know. Now say B for the industry. Even you say maybe you don't know me. He go Uganda. Put the guy, put their two. You are teams or teams are teams or times are team. Every day here now they read about Uganda. What did they happen? What did they do Bobby Wine? Over there, is Bobby Wine and a musician. Either they do campaign, how they shoot people. They shoot people here. Even their cities, they kill them like cruise because of coronavirus. You go there, you call the sing. What if you pay me? Because you call the cut eye for one of the police guy. Girlfriend, cut your hair. Now they take a coffee hair in her hair and the truth. Can they go court? If not be God, they quick crash, they will not they crash. And the reason why they read this news, some of them never see them where they handcuffed of them, where they crash. Man, you give on that video, but I'm not supposed to carry on that. I'm not supposed to go back. I'm supposed to go front. But some of them una no want do research on a man wait say Parara must talk. Okay, since I want talk, oh yeah, regardez là-bas.
Hey, madam, don't fight. Why are you putting your hand? Why are you putting the hand there, madam? Why not? We don't handcuff women. No, we don't handcuff women, madam. We don't handcuff women. I don't handcuff this woman. This woman wants to be handcuffed.
You want to cuff me? Why? Wait. Why do you have to cuff me? Don't do that. You're being too aggressive. I know you're
You're journalist. What's that? You think it's bad?
Sir, why are they cuffing me? Do they have to cuff me?
Sorry? Hey, yeah, that's the direction. Okay, it's too tight at least. Can you reduce it? It's too tight. Okay, don't reduce it. Reduce it. It's too tight. Reduce a bit. Pause now. I know you're angry. Just reduce it. We're not criminals, okay? We came to your country. This for you. This for you. So my waste of time. Fast it. Sit and won't handle it. Look. So this is Uganda. No problem. Sorry? No, it's part of it. But with the journalists? Of course, journalists are supposed to do their work. Okay, please. Step.
Madam. You're pushing this out fast. Good journalists, you people. You are just. Yes, hello. We get out.
They handcuff them like people will kill President Pikin because of COVID. The reason why they read this news, not even because of Uganda, not even because of Nigeria, not because of Africa. And they read this news, they give honor. The Nigerians where they waka torrent. Some of them never see get sense. We dey fight big problem. Forget about our problem for Nigeria. Another problem dey again where we dey fight, but some of them never know. But this guy problem, go let me explain out to una. And one girl for Uganda, he do video similar to the problem, which is the problem. And those who never watch the video, regardez là-bas.
Hey, what's up, people? This is Cindy Bieb, definitely the king herself. Now, I've got something on my mind, and I think I should just say it. So, we as artists, since the lockdown, have been trying to stay calm, have been trying to stay quiet for the good of the country because of this whole lockdown corona situation. And while we are doing this, we are the ones who have been ignored the most, you know, because you notice a lot of sectors have been compensated, but the artists have not yet been compensated, and yet we are the first people that were locked down because the shows were the first thing that they were like, no more shows, bars are closed, and every avenue that an artist would have made some money for lunch, for their children, for their health, was stopped fast. But even up to now, artists have totally been ignored. So we've been calm about the situation, and you know, a lot of artists are starving, a lot of artists are sick, a lot of artists are in heavy debt right now, and it doesn't have to be me to feel it. I feel it because I'm a fellow artist. So in all our silence, a foreigner had a concert in this country and actually got and filled up a concert where there was no social distancing, there were no masks, and this idiot even posted it online and was very proud about the fact that he had a successful concert in Uganda. And you know what is funny is that if we complain about it, anything that the government puts on us and we say anything about it, we are branded a hooligan. So it's official. I am a hooligan and I am proud because I don't, oh my God, I don't agree with this. It's not fair. It is not right. by any standards that you look at it. You may try to put down the post and try to hide it, but it was a concert and it happened during the lockdown while artists here are
traveling. Some of them they insult this girl. Go. Una no fit insult this girl. If now you did the girl shoe, you will still do the same thing. The problem now be this. The problem there everywhere. I don't go Togo, I don't go Benin, I don't go Ghana, I don't go Liberia, I don't go South Africa, I don't go Nigeria. I know some of them will say, why you go Nigeria, I don't go UK. You get one problem where they happen for Africa. We make a lot of Africa people diverse for us, which is the entertainment industry. May they forget about the Yahoo. They diverse for us because their organizer not go use them. They'll bring us on the show. They use us. They pay us big money. That thing they pay a lot of Africa people. I just they turn on the truth. So all the Nigeria celebrity, they went and they get so instead of making the verse for their organizer, now we the Nigerians they call the verse for. Instead of make the improve in their craft, you understand that? Those who don't understand craft because of another visit that they talk about craft, meaning say your talent, your things where you they do. Instead of wanna improve on that, so that on our country go feel like on our use on her, go carry the verse nation come meet us. Like saying that we be the problem. We are not the problem. We listen to who listen. Oh, Parara, if to get voice, you will be voicing. Area propose me, you know. Is saying near for Nigeria here. And we don't know what the person is. We still listen to where you are, Shubuzo, Mama Jika, Shubuzo, Alivelekuma, Shubuzo. You know why? Because the lyrics sweet. We listen here. We listen to somebody say Egypt, somebody say what? We listen here. We listen to Shaka, we listen to Lucky Dube. That's the you know why? Because the tea is sweet. So I dey talk to all the Africa celebrities with the envious. Our problem, your problem not be our problem. Your problem are your problem. If your country organizer not like you, ask why they not like you. Do your own research. Now, I won't put you now as your organizer. You won't do show. You dey spend like $2,000 for the show. You won't take artists. You take artists now, you lost, you can't get only $1,500 for the money where you spend, $1,500. You know like take the artist. Then you can't do show, you spend $2,000. You can't go bring artists, both bringing artists from overseas, everything $2,000. Artists can't show full everything, you can't make $10,000. If now you, who you go bring come again? The local artist or the international artist? That is the problem one that they face. So I dey read that they give on even one guy they do one for Ghana where they call DKB comedian. He hates Nigeria comedian like wish. Like saying that will be a problem. If your joke sweet, your country will use you. Not be we. So more know they carry on our own problem, they join us. We are not your problem. Your problem is think what your country need. Give what your country need. Do something. Before now, so we they carry 50 cents, all of the other Jaru, ain't mind to bob on about. Our country cause say no. All them how do they call this Daddy Shoki, all of them call wake up, they call they sing. Before the whiskey call the all them Two-Face. Think of what your country need. Do not do what you like. Do what people like. I give out to them. So thanks to all Uganda people and everybody. We don't need to fight because of this thing. And put the president. Today, me and you go be friend. Thanks, say when I release our people. Today we not go fight. You are my friend. You are someone me now for only now. After that, next news, me and you go quarrel again. You know, until you understand. Go straight to other news. No time. Our brother already call Mark again. Oh God. Oh yeah, provoke. He said no happy with the rep. House of Rep where they invite Buhari, who they be, where they invite Buhari to come for some kind situation of insecurity for the country. He said they don't get the audacity of Yuma Mofiodo to invite the president. He said even the president is not going. Say a supporter. I watched this year. I said, wow. The maze man. Ocheka. He's talking. So people not going to understand. I know be best friend. So I know be best friend. Don't worry. I know will come your lane. Not the cut life for me. Say cool it down. Be cool right Danny. He said no of it. Those of you never wash them. We are regarding
I am a constitutionalist. I believe that we're operating a presidential system of government. And I believe in the concept of separation of powers. We have three equal and independent arms of government. The framers of our constitution did not envisage that one arm of government, which is a co-equal and independent arm of government, will be summoning the head of another co-equal independent arm of government to come offer explanations on the floor. I think for those of you who are familiar with the constitutional process, I don't think you've ever heard about President Trump, or Clinton or Bush or whoever served as president being invited to appear before the House of Representatives or the U.S. Senate, unless for purpose of laying of the budget and state of the nation. But in any event, we also have the concept of executive privilege. The executive arm, the president, has the power to claim executive privilege at any time. Any of such invitations are extended. It is not within the contemplation of the framers of the Constitution that the day will come where the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, who heads the executive arm, will be invited to testify before either the House of Reps here or the Senate. Say, no, I do not support that. And I don't believe that the president should come.
This news, this thing where this man do so, is just on the gospel truth of politics. They get Godfather. And if your Godfather, they misbehave, you must support her. And that is the reason why Nigeria no go forward. With the paddle like this, with the paddle, but with the torrent. I mean torrent, the Katsina. That be the problem. This one is just the reason why Urobosi dey one place, the torrent. With all this nonsense talk, we talk so. And all not be all Urobo be like this. Womlena, I want to Urobo wayo na real truth. Because some kind things when you grow up miss, some of them know they do research. The president need to come for anything. This country now everybody get and people elect them. You can come ask question, do like this. But now everybody they form big. The president is even too big. Come all those commissioners, all those ministers where they put, they go call them. Mostly Amechi, or over key dragon, if he come, now what do you? Yes. If the China people doesn't give us the law, you understand? Everybody big past this country. So they use this media, they tell all the politicians, please, those who don't big past this country. Una fi pack, leave us go. Since una the feel on a big pass, and una they help the country. We on behalf of Nigeria, we want beg una, but Oma Adiga, they beg all of una. Since una don't big pass the country, they don't feel they someone, they don't feel they ask una question. Journalists una don't make journalists look stupid. Una don't make our lawyer look stupid. Una don't make our police look stupid. Police go dey carry yes. See, can make me sasanmerwe. Person commit crime self, they do yes sir. But you know me poor person, they will say you are you mad? Are you trying to teach me my job? But politician go do and they'll say yes sir. So now the country don't confused. So everybody don't big past this country. So those of them see they go fast for this country. Oh my wallah, you are wasting your time. This country, you don't need to fast for this country. This country need force. And the force need to start from which they do so. We understanding, some of you don't obviously understand this particular mock news. But now we'll understand that later. Go straight to other news, no time. Malawi don't finally agree to DHL pastor and his wife Buhari to South Africa. He said they don't see DHL, we go help the package. Well, I don't say since I dey talk like about the pastor, some of them now they see this news. The pastor, they hold am for money laundering, scamming, wiring, thieving, come and marry. You understand what I mean now? Pick up. Oh yeah, now. You dey do what Yahoo, Skype, Facebook. You understand what is it? When do you even pay the pass? They do shop in own church money. They carry a guy sleep crunch for how many days? As they grant and pay, but you see the Concord, they seize the passport to. He sees the passport to royal. Everything boy wife no. Before they break, oil and disappear. Bajire, meow, ki willy go reach Malawi. Say they fight for a constitutional right. Now make her come Malawi. Pass away the say sticker and water. Not be Holy Spirit try it again. Now you okay? Don't know what regarding
Malawi on Monday agreed to South Africa's request to extradite televangelist Shepherd Buhari and his wife to face trial. Malawi's Attorney General endorsed Pretoria's request, which also got a nod from Lilongwe's Homeland Affairs Ministry.
I have come here looking for the constitutional help that protects the citizens.
But the final say is with Malawi's judiciary. Outside, Buhari's supporters staged a protest. The couple is facing theft, fraud and money laundering charges. They jumped bail and fled to Malawi in November.
The problem with the take hold for South Africa not be here. The thing long or long go trailer. So now they don't say me they bring they come. Here and the wife so that they will face the something. And wait till they talk now. Because in a poor man do this thing. How you take travel from South Africa to Malawi? Una they only speak that English. Ignorance is not an excuse. Who don't commit crime, don't commit. That one another crime against self. That will not be even crime. That is a fraud. That is a disappearance under immigrational law. You disappear into the country. You understand? Disappear from the country without anything. You need to face that one too. You understand? So all these pastors then, please. Not because say they see vision, come make you be say, now you get this Africa. That is the problem with the face. And that thing not until they work all these our citizens. All these our Africa people. Because so now we just see vision. Now call their phone number. Tell them their pint color. Tell them their bra color. Tell them their father name, their mother name. Call them Jesus. Jesus. Am I there before? And do I know you? Do I do like this? My guy, vision is normal thing. Now that's the take bonus. If you want to see vision, go. You will see. They will see vision for you free. More than know that because of those things. Because somebody you they say and you go if you say now God they talk to around. You're gonna. I will don't talk to Natalia. Some of you know visit. Don't let they enter your mind. The mind the way now. Be strong. Try to they read books. Try to they do research. Try to they see things so that they don't cheat you. Those are the things where they use for you. They go use and finish on a cock. When I not fit talk again, depression will cock kill now. Now we want they say now we be unbeliever. No, now they come in and say, can you give us 2 cedis or 2 naira or 2 Liberian dollar where you take it? You understand now? Not let any pastor scam you with vision. Try to listen to yourself. It's very necessary. You know me so. Work hard, work with war. Go straight to other news, no time. Our governor for Ogun State, Oyena Kolati, oh God. When I know say our brother Tony Joshua, just deck one guy, Oyena deck you. If you see decking, on that 9 round, if you see punch, they come down like all those rock of ages. He blow the guy, even the guy's spirit self run enter hospital now as they talk to you now. I bandage your heart energy now. I'm making oh boy, Tony Joshua get punch you. Have you said the guy not too strong? But why see the way they punch this guy? Joshua, you are a puncher. Win the guy for knockout. Those of you remember watch with the deck the guy. We regardez là-bas.
Because it leaves you susceptible. Oh, another one, and Pulev is hurt. Pulev is rocked. He's on shaky legs, and down he goes.
That was 3 consecutive uppercuts that Pulev got hit with, and he is badly hurt.
Woman, I know they read this news because of Anthony Joshua, but I they read this news because of what the Anthony Joshua caused. The governor of Ogun State say, as Anthony Joshua win, he say this one for una to know the investment wey they don't invest for sport. I go take that line again. It's like una don't understand that. After Anthony Joshua win the fight, the governor of Ogun State wey do it like Aso Rock, do it like where they take the ground pepper, dry pepper with granite stone. Go enter in your Facebook. Even Mark Zuckerberg say, call me. Who is this governor? I say, nobody know. Because as Anthony Joshua wins, so say that the investment wey Ogun State, which is their government, invest for sports. I make Anthony Joshua win. I watch this, I see this thing there. I was so ashamed. Those of you know never hear where they talk. Regardez là-bas.
News: Ogun State Governor Dapo Abiodun has congratulated Nigerian-born boxer Anthony Joshua over his victory against Kubrat Pulev on Saturday night. The governor, in a Facebook post on Sunday, said Joshua's victory is a justification for the state government's investment in sports. Abiodun also said the boxer's victory has brought pride to Ogun State, where he hails from. More sports news. Amazon Prime Video.
Nigeria politicians. If you say in those days where phones not dey, TV not dey, no internet, no one give us light so that we know if they see wetin dey happen for that side. All na want know wetin dey happen so that wetin una tell us now we dey believe. Anthony Joshua wey dey born for UK. We start life, everything for UK, but you just come because say na your father's land. Now you want claim glory. Say no, na government one. So now they invest for Anthony Joshua body, we don't know. Okay, I know if you just blame you nowadays. You know, it's for blame you. I for say why I come from this state, this country. Because see, he leader now. Side of it goes, side of it go, side take it. How did they call this thing with the trend now for this Nigeria? That thing with the person they take. So where they take close Corino, I don't know. People brain not correct. They just human people just they type nonsense for Facebook. And what you want, all these our leaders they do. As far as they put them for president, governor, councillor, senator, local government chairman, they visit and they get sense pass. So if you say anything where they tell you, you must take them. Oh yeah, nah. Not be this. Not try that. Not say there are a lot of people that they do bossing. Now for Ogun State, you abandon them. Over with your kpaliolio, when me you go, Momo, do the head way, do one way good. Make a well and conk. Many day, we don't know if you take care of them. Anthony Joshua because say, Oku make it there because he don't better now. Everybody don't Goma is from Nigeria. It's from Nigeria. It's from Nigeria. Those of you is there. It's from, you are doing yourself. It's from UK. And UK people they sponsor her. Forget all those things. If not from Nigeria now, Anthony Joshua come from Oyana. You for don't they do bansa, they give Don Jazzy. For don't they say, hey Baba, che, you are a clear road, give Don Jazzy. Not even politicians. Thank God say you run no. Obona. You people talented, they do nonsense so. I go Asaba, my state, where I see talent, they waste for Asaba. People with a notebook pass their oga. Now they be driver, now they be something for Asaba. I was shocked eyes. Just thank God for your life. And not today come here like that too. Because I am in water, you know if you go again on radio, Wakashi Galorena, go straight to the news, no time. Our sister from America, what they call Cardi B, don't know everyone have you this. The girl where they threaten Nicki Minaj, but Nicki Minaj tell us say, my sister, my madam, my almost a koro. You understand what I mean? The girl don't buy her husband Offset buy a Lamborghini over $670,000, pass $500,000, buy and give the, and this one now the guy way you understand what I mean? We go dag on another smally, we cash am, but they settle. The guy is 29 years, put the guy, and Cardi B now 28 years. Buy for this Christmas, so buy husband car. I watch this. I say no. I need to show some people. Those of them never wash away that they are happy when they go see the car. Regardez là-bas. Welcome back. Yeah. Happy birthday, shit. Hold up.
Motherfucker 660. What? SDJ. That's the biggest event you know you can get.
On a Cardi B, attack but he still get sense. And the guy still there. This guy see Trump. He see this guy when we Trump. He see Obama. He see other politicians. But he say no. He follow his age mate. You don't understand where they go now. You understand, you know? He follow his age mate. For Africa here, our celebrity, you cannot talk to them. They look us less. Look us like say, we not be their sleepers. We not reach their mate. You go see Tiwa Savage. You can never go in DM and say, hello, Tiwa. They go block you. Just say, hello, sexy. They don't block me. You know how many guys don't just put Tiwa Savage. You Tiwa Savage. If you date me, you go die. Or put Genevieve. Put Genevieve. If you Genevieve date me and you go the date, the follow each other, we not be age mate. You go die. But now, person like me, because you know they look according to your age, according to your money, they give you age. If you never know now, just know now. If you never get money, not say you don't do. If you will be even 70 years, you are a young guy. You understand na lie? Go approach any girl at 40, 50. Approach any girl wey do okay pass you. They tell you say slippers no get size, and you even senior. Now him not even reach your size, but they tell you say na pocket be size, na be age. You understand that? All this our celebrity there, they go dey follow hood people. People wey look like Medusa, like not be money. You understand now? Arrow, E and N, they supposed marry. Not be everything that they talk at. If N not get money na block in the mood. Arrow for marry N. You understand what I mean now? But you know say Africa, all of us we bad. Not only the president. What do they call this girl name? In here though, as you date, you be celebrity. If you marry or date blackface, you not go help your career. You will say blackface is not my type. Who be your type? Now Atiku be your type. You say Atiku, so what a fine boy. We call Atiku fine boy. You understand what I mean? More than they say, oh, this is our industry not balance. So you see Cardi B. Then you, what be this one name? Ivonesi now. If you follow Patapa, problem go dey. You go say no, Patapa is not like, but you go date Nana Akufo-Addo. You go to say, oh, that one is a young boy. You understand what I mean now? That is the problem with the ghetto. So we need to help each other for this industry. You understand? See Cardi B, See the small boy wey yana dey 29, 28. You understand? So more they help each other like that. Yemi Alade help somebody for the industry. If Yemi Alade now follow Zlanta. No. That's Zlanta to the shot. Hey! No, you go give Yemi Alade problem. Yemi Alade, you follow Africa China. Africa China to the guy they cry. Food is not there. Madam, so food not there. And you go answer for money now. Go give us problem. Yemi Alade, you will follow which one? You will just follow anybody, just follow all you follow Omo Jesu. You understand? Now see something. More help each other for the industry. Stop to the look people less. More we help each other. You understand? Jackie Apia. If you DM me now, you go die. Will you die? So more they follow, more they help each other. People go they, you understand? But everybody won't follow. You understand what I mean now? The men they follow old women, the girls they follow old men. Here na, here are the penkusu. Emetana. You got to understand now. Concentrate on that news no time. So my people, if you like what you are wearing, Apostle the runner. Oh God, you see the way I carry bag like we go say awake. So if you like what you are wearing, the guy and always the patronizer. The guy they try every time they make sure say I look gallant, I look conky for mock news. So one at the right time. Anything you want, anywhere you dey, go can I go give you. If you like, dey for prison, he go sew for you. They sell prison clothes, they sell clothes, breakup clothes, wedding clothes, quarrel clothes, fighting clothes, Isakaba clothes. He dey sew gun, he dey sew bomb. He dey sew everything. So when I contact her, no time, bro. You too much. I believe in you. Go to the other news. So my people, now I go just stop. My name is Paran one of Africa. Told us here, I'm on fire. See you now. 2 days time. No resting.
Parara one talk true to mock news one talk sense. Parara one mad again. Hey, Parara the talk bitter truth, the pain about the people. Mock news tell the people to